All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is everything we need to do here. This is how to start the robot for this particular airdrop. So for this airdrop, you need your Twitter, you need your Telegram. So without wasting much time, tap on this start button here. Immediately you are done reading all the information above, tap on start button. Then it says, please prove that you are a human being by solving this simple math task. So it says 14 plus 2 equals 16. 16. Okay. So the next one here brings up this whole lot of information. That's correct. Total airdrop pool is 100,000 Arty. Total winners will be 3,100. 3,000 participants who completed all tasks will share 90,000 Arty. And 100 referrals will share 10,000 Arty as follows. So we have the first place winner, second place up to the 51st place winner. So take your time to read all these informations. You need them. So here are all the mandatory tasks. The first task says you all must register on OKX for you to be able to receive 10 Arty. Okay, so you have to register on OKX with the link I have below this video. Okay, check the description of this video. You see the link to register for OKX. Then you must pass KYC on OKX also for you to be able to qualify for this 10 Arty. Then you must follow Arty on Twitter with this link here. Okay, then you have to follow Arty Twitter, like and repost the pinned post. So we are jumping into that right away. Okay, now we have some buttons here. Okay, the first button says register on OKX. Second one says pass KYC. Third one says follow OKX Twitter. Then the other one says follow Arty Twitter as well. So let's get into it. So we're going to start with the first one that says register on OKX. I'm just going to tap on the button. Meanwhile, I have registered on OKX. All right, I have done that. So I'm going to tap on the second button which says pass KYC. I'm going to open up that. So here my screen dashboard says my basic verification has been passed. Congratulations, ID verification completed. Start your journey into the world of OKX. So I'm going to exit the page because I've done KYC before now. So the next button says follow OKX on Twitter. So I'm going to tap open to go to my Twitter and follow OKX. Okay, I'm going to tap on the follow button which you see here. All right, this is the follow button. So make sure to tap to follow. Then go back to the bot again. Go back to the bot again. So I'm going to tap on the last but not the least task here. So I'm going to follow Arty. It says follow Artifact on Twitter, like and repost the pinned post. I'm going to do that right away. So I'm going to follow them. First of all, follow them. Tap on follow. Then it says I should like and repost the pinned post. This is the pinned post here. You can see it here. It is indicated. This is the pinned post. That's the very first post you see. It is pinned. So I'm going to tap on the like. I'm going to repost. Okay, I'll like, then I'll repost. So let me go back and let me go back here. So I'm going to tap on the finish. Tap on finish. Okay, so it says please write your nickname in Twitter. So what's my nickname in Twitter? Let me quickly go back to my Twitter and get my nickname from Twitter. So there I have my profile. My nickname on Twitter is at Tech Service. Okay, at Tech S. Tech S. At Tech S. So I'm going to send this. So it says please write your OKX UID. So I'll go back to my OKX and copy out my UID. So coming over to my OKX, this is where you get your UID from. Look at this section at the top left corner. Tap on it. Okay, tap on it. Then here you have your profile. Tap on this arrow here. Okay, this arrow goes to your profile and boom, at the bottom here you have, so at the bottom here we have this list of information. So this is my UID. So I'm going to tap on this icon here to copy it. I'll copy from here, copied. Then I'll go back to the Telegram bot and paste and send. Okay, so it says please send screenshots of your verified account overview on OKX. So I'm going to take a screenshot of my verifier account overview. So I'll go back and here I had, this is my account here. My account shows that I'm verified. So I'm going to take a screenshot of this. Okay, I'm going to take a screenshot of this here. Take a screenshot of this and come over here and send it. Okay, so I'll paste the screenshot and send it. Okay, I'll send this. So it says please write your BP20 wallet address. So I'm going to copy my BP20 wallet address from my OKX. So I'll go back to my OKX, go back home, then I will go to my wallet section. All right, we'll go to my wallet section at the bottom here. Okay, then I'll tap on deposit. So I'll tap on deposit and search for BP20 deposit crypto. I'll select deposit crypto here. Deposit crypto. So it says write a BP20 wallet. So I'm going to search for my BP20. Okay, BP20 goes like this, BNB. So I'll tap on BNB. Then this is it here. BP20 is BNB BSC, that's BP20. So I'll copy that. Hold on, let me do this thing this way. Let's go back. Okay, let's go back home. I want to do it from the Web3. I was doing it from this part of the exchange. So I want to go through this part, this one that says wallet. I want to go through it. Okay, so I'll tap on wallet. It goes to Web3. Okay, so I will select this one here. I'll select this one here. I'll select it. Then I'll tap on receive. I'll tap on the receive button. Okay, tap on receive. All right, so this is my BP20 wallet address. So I'll tap on this copy here. I'll tap on copy to copy this, and I'll go back to the Telegram and paste it. Sorry about that. Come over here and paste it. Then I send. Okay, it says the more people you invite, the more Arty you will earn. Your personal referral link is this. So all you need to do, tap on the referral link which is below this video to sign up. Okay, so I'll copy my referral link, copy, then I'll go over to the WhatsApp, Telegram, or every other places and share this. Okay, and share this. So it's as very simple as this. 25 hours from now, this project will be listed on OKX. So make sure to participate in this particular airdrop so that you gain something at the end of the day. We all must cash out once more. All right, you're welcome. Make sure to hit that follow button, hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment in the comment section, share this video to your community. Let's reach a maximum number of users. You're welcome. Once again, my name remains Eze West.